So dear students, now we will convert this equation for number 1 equation in this form. We will take one variable to right hand side along with the constant in this way, and preferably we will keep that variable to left hand side whose coefficient is 1. So we will keep x to left hand side and we'll take y to right hand side. Same in this equation, we'll take minus 3y to right hand side, it will become plus 3y. So dear students, now we will convert, we will get minimum 2 solutions to make a line. Now as y is in the combination form, we will start assuming the value of y. The first value of y we are taking is 5. When we put in this equation x is equal to minus 42 plus 7 multiplied by 5. Then by solving it, we'll get minus 7. Now let us assume the second value, y is equal to 10. So put it in this equation, minus 42 plus 10 into 7. So we'll get this value. So when y is 5, x is minus 7, make this table. When y is 10, x is 28. Dear students, make like this, find out minimum 3 values to make the graph. Similarly, let us get the solutions for second equation. We will again put the values of y as it is in combination. Y is equal to 5. When y is 5, x is equal to 6 plus 3 into 5. So we'll get 21. When y is 10, 6 plus 3 into 10 will get 36. So in this way we'll get the 2 solution boxes from 2 linear equations. Now let us make the graph. Dear students, you have to draw a graph. You have to plot these lines on a graph sheet. The horizontal axis is x-axis and vertical axis is y-axis, right? So let us start plotting the values. Now the first value is x is minus 7, y is 5. So x minus 7. So somewhere this is middle, minus 5. On the graph paper you can count the number of lines. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So approximately this is minus 7 and y is 5. So where do we get 5? Here in the middle. So approximately we'll get this point here. So mark it on the graph paper like this. Then the second value is x is 28, y is 10. X is 28, it must lie between 20 and 30. So this is 25, 26, 27, this is 28. 28 and y is 10. So here is y 10. So let us mark it here. Right? So in this way. Now we have plotted the 2 points. I told you must plot minimum 3 points. Now using the scale, join these 2 points or the 3 points. So in this way, let us join these points. Use scale, dear students, to plot these points. So this is the line for the first equation, which is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Now let us plot the second line. X is 21, y is 5. X 21 next to 20 and y is 5 lying between this. So here we'll mark this point. This is the point. And x is 36, second solution, y is 10. X is 36, so this is 35. Next to 35 we'll get 36 and y is 10. So here we'll get this point. So again using the scale, join these 2 points. So dear students, in this way you will get the 2 intersecting lines. So these are the 2 lines which we have obtained from the 2 solutions of lines. Now this is the This is the algebraical way and this is the graphical way. One more thing I want to tell you, that if you want to find out the age, the intersecting point of the two lines will give you the age of the two characters. Like if you move from intersecting point towards x-axis, this is approximately 45. So x is the age of Aftab. So we can assume that Aftab's age is 45 years. And from this same intersecting point, if you move towards y-axis, you'll get the age of daughter, that is approximately 12 or 13 years. So dear students, in this way you can solve your question. First of all, make two equations, then get the solutions, then represent them algebraically.